हेलो, आप सब कैसे हैं? वेलकम बैक। It's a day 3 and walking through the tall cedar trees of Hidamba temple gave us such a peaceful vibes, and the cold mountain air made everything feel fresh and unforgettable. हिडम्बा मंदिर सिर्फ एक धार्मिक स्थान नहीं बल्कि मनाली की खूबसूरत और हिमाचल की संस्कृति का एक खूबसूरत हिस्सा है। जंगल के बीच मौजूद यह मंदिर इतना शांत और सुंदर है कि यहाँ आकर मन पूरी तरह से शांति महसूस करता है। मनाली की खूबसूरत वादियों के बीच स्थित हिडम्बा देवी मंदिर किसी जादुई दुनिया से कम नहीं था। चारों तरफ ऊंचे देवदार के पेड़, ठंडी हवाएं और शांत वातावरण इस जगह को बेहद ही खास बनाता है। से बना यह प्राचीन मंदिर अपनी अनोखी वास्तुकला और आध्यात्मिक ऊर्जा के लिए बेहद प्रसिद्ध है। ये सिड्डू है, ये हिमाचलियन डिश है। इट्स वेरी यम्मी, बहुत टेस्टी था। एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू मणिकरण एंड द रोड टू मणिकरण वाज ट्रूली अनमैच्ड। जस्ट लुक एट द व्यूज। The fresh mountain air, the peaceful silence of nature, and the breathtaking Himalayan views made the road trip unforgettable. Every turn felt more magical than the last, surrounded by beautiful mountains, flowing rivers and waterfalls, and clouds floating over the valley. The entire journey looked like a heavenly movie scene. And then came Kasol, even more beautiful, calm, and mesmerizing. Kasol, the mini paradise of Himachal, surrounded by pine forests, flowing rivers, cozy cafes, and stunning mountain landscapes. Kasol felt calm, ascetic, and magical at the same time. The road to Kasol was nothing less than a dream. Every turn revealed breathtaking mountains, deep valleys, flowing rivers, and clouds touching the peaks. The scenic drive through the Parvati Valley felt magical with cold winds, pine forest, and peaceful vibes all around. As the car moved through the winding mountains roads, every view looked straight out of a postcard. The towering mountains covered in a greenery, the sound of Parvati river flowing beside the road, and the fresh Himalayan air made the journey unforgettable. Walking beside the Parvati river with the cold wind touching our face felt unreal. Every frame here looked cinematic. If a piece had a location, it would definitely be Kasol. Kasol is not just a destination, it's a feeling. The peaceful roads, aesthetic cafes, beautiful wooden houses, and mesmerizing mountain landscapes create a vibe that instantly relaxes your soul. Watching the sunset behind the mountains while driving through the valley felt absolutely unreal. Some roads don't just take you to the place, they became memories forever, and the road to Kasol is definitely one of them. Every kilometer was filled with beauty, adventure, peace, and breathtaking Himalayan views that made us all fall in love with nature all over again. Lost in the mountains, found in Kasol. Yes, I would definitely visit this place once again. Kasol is just awesome. The journey from Kasol to Manikaran Sahib felt like driving through a beautiful painting. Every road was filled with aesthetic mountain views, dreamy clouds, pine forest. The beauty of this valley is truly impossible to describe in words. Kasol has a different kind of magic, calm, raw, peaceful, and unbelievable beautiful. Every corner of Kasol looked aesthetic enough to stop and capture forever. The road to Manikaran was equally mesmerizing. Huge mountains standing proudly on both sides, fog covering the valleys, and the cool Himalayan winds created the perfect cinematic road trip vibe. It felt like nature was showing its most beautiful version with every passing kilometer. This wasn't just a trip, it was a whole aesthetic experience filled with peace, adventure, mountains, rivers, and unforgettable memories. The tall trees added a whole different beauty to the mountain. These giant trees made the entire valley look peaceful, dream, and magical. Endless forest felt like entering another world away from the noise of the city life. These beautiful Devdar trees are not just a part of Himachal beauty, they are the soul of the mountains. And finally, the spiritual and beautiful Manikaran Sahib, a place filled with positivity, devotion, and peace. Watching the hot spring, listening to the prayers, and experiencing the calm spiritual energy made this journey even more special. यहाँ पे ऐसे पोटली दिया जाता है जिसमें चावल और चना रहता है और इसी उबलते हुए पानी में हमें वो रखना होता है और विद इन नो टाइम वो प्रसाद बन के तैयार हो जाता है। The water in the spring is naturally above boiling point and is used continuously to cook langar and for scare bathing. The Gurudwara offers free accommodation and serves langar to all visitors daily. Gurudwara Manikaran Sahib is a revered pilgrimage site for Sikhs and Hindus located in the Parvati Valley of Himachal Pradesh. The hot spring of Manikaran Sahib felt truly magical and unbelievable. In the middle of the cold mountains and freezing weather, seeing naturally boiling hot water coming out from the earth was an experience beyond words. The stream rising from the spring, surrounded by huge Himalayan mountains and peaceful sound of the river, created a view that felt both spiritual and mesmerizing. People from different places come here not only for religious belief but also to witness this natural wonder hidden in the heart of the mountains. Then came the charming street of Mall Road filled with lights from hot momo and coffee to colorful shop. The energy of Manali at night is something you truly need to experience once in your lifetime. Yeah, that's it for now. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.